How to delete parental controls on Android. The exact steps may vary depending on how parental controls were enabled, so let's go through the most common methods. First, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then go to Settings, expand the Family section, and tap Parental Controls. If parental controls are enabled, enter your PIN and turn the feature off. If your phone is using Google Family Link, the controls can't be removed directly from the child's device. Instead, the parent or guardian must open the Family Link app on their own device, select the child's account, and remove or change the supervision settings. You can also open your phone's settings and use the search bar to look for parental controls or Family Link. If those options appear, open them and follow the on-screen instructions to disable the restrictions. Once you've completed these steps, any parental restrictions linked to your device should be removed, provided you have permission and the required PIN or parent account. And that's it. That's how you can delete or turn off parental controls on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Android tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.